Hello everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi and in today's video we will show you how to create a stunning cape collar using the adult bodies block. If you have seen my previous cape collar video, you know I used a mini basic block made by halving the measurement of my original block. That video, along with the tutorial for the mini blog, is available on the channel. But today we will work with the adult bodies blog for this project. So let's begin. Start by folding your pattern paper and then draw a straight line as a guideline. On the folded side, place the back bodies block and on the open side, place the front bodies block. Make sure to position the block so that the angle between them is 90 degrees. Next, remove the shoulder darts from both blocks. However, if you prefer to keep the darts, you absolutely can. This part is up to your preference. While placing the block, ensure that the shoulder ends of the front and back bodies align perfectly. Trace the shoulder and neckline after removing the darts. Now mark the full length of the cape. I have chosen 60 cm for the cape length, but you can adjust it based on your preference. Use this length to create a quarter circle curve for the cape. On the front side, you will need to extend the pattern by 2 centimeter. Unfortunately, the video clip for this step was not recorded, but I have showed it here that you have to add 2 centimeter extra to the pattern. Once everything is traced and adjust, your pattern is ready to cut. Here I am cutting my pattern, and then I will show you that how I have folded my pattern of cape collar to give it a look of cape. And that's it, your cape collar is ready. You will find the link to the basic bodies blog tutorial and all tools and material in the description box below. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.